Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with something really exciting. It's a Bath and Body subscription box. Ta-da! It's huge. Anyway, I've never gotten one of these before, used one of these before, and I generally just buy my Bath and Body products individually from a local store or online. And I know there are like subscription boxes for makeup products and all, but I didn't really know there were subscription boxes for Bath and Body products. Anyway, I saw this Boxes of Joy Bath and Body box on Amazon and I checked out their website and I was so intrigued that I actually ordered one for myself. And here it is, and it's huge. And I decided to do an unboxing video because I've actually not done any unboxing videos and I've not actually done a face-to-face video since a very long time. So yeah, let's go. Okay, before I open this box, Boxes of Joy is a subscription-based company and they have these amazing curated boxes. And this is the Bath and Body box for women. I have linked their website in the description down below and their Instagram handle is right here on the screen. Okay, I can't wait to open this box, so let's get started. So the actual packaging is really cute, yeah. I really like this. Boxes of Joy, if you want to see it. It's a Bath and Body box. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, wow. That's like a lot of bubble wrap. Anyways, should I subscribe? Yes, you should. So this is kind of like I think a letter for the subscribers. Okay, let's go. Let's get started. Let's remove this bubble wrap, which is something I'm really addicted to, so I'm going to keep doing this only. Anyways, what do I open first? This one's really exciting. Let's open this one first. Give me a minute. That's like so much bubble wrap. Okay, this is Southern Spice Handmade Soap by Nyasa. You can have a look. This is purely made of cardamom essential oils and rose petal extracts. Wow. Damn, this smells really good. Okay, so out of all the products, this is actually one of the products I was really looking forward to because these have real spices on the side, which acts as a natural exfoliator, and that is actually a really good thing. And it smells amazing. Okay, so let's see what's next. Okay, another product that I was really looking forward to is this Kama Ayurveda Lavender Patchouli Body Moisturizer. You can see it. Okay, Kama products are purely natural and organic, and although they cost a bomb, but they are really good. But this size actually is not available on any online store or anything, and the fact that I got it in this box just wins me over completely, and I can't wait to try it out. So let's open it and see how it smells. Okay, wow. It smells amazing. We'll try that out later. So let's open this one. Okay, so this is the Khadi Natural Green Apple Hair Cleanser. And I haven't used Khadi products before this, but I think that's the beauty of subscription boxes. You get to try out new and different products each month. And let's read the ingredients. What does this contain? Okay, it has Rita, it has aloe vera extract, it has jojoba oil, it has basil. Okay, so I've actually heard that amla is a really good hair cleanser. So this is going to be interesting. Let's just, smell. See how it smells. Oh my god. Oh my god, this actually has apple scent in it. It smells amazing. This is one product I'm waiting to try out actually now. Okay, what's next? Let's open this one. This bottle is actually so cute. Just have a look at it. This is the Moroccan Rose Shah Gel by Nyasa. Okay, this is made up of rose petal and beetroot extracts. And this is sulfate and paraben free. Oh wow. So for those of you who don't know, sulfate and paraben are really harsh and harmful chemicals that are found in a lot of beauty and personal hygiene products like shampoos, toothpaste and body washes, and they should be avoided because they're really harsh on your skin. This is what we have next. Oh wow, this is the Wildflower Naturals coconut milk and vanilla body scrub. You can have a look at it. Okay, Wildflower Naturals is another brand that is 100% natural and free of any chemicals. And I've never tried the products, but I actually want to because I've heard so much about them. And this is a good opportunity for me to do that. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I can't wait to actually try this out. This is so good. I am so excited and so happy about all the products that I've got. And I think this is the last one. So I'm going to close this box and put it back. So much space. Okay, so this is a Room Fab hand block printed body towel. This is a cotton waffle towel, and I've used waffle towels before. They're amazing. And the best part about these waffle towels is that they help your body dry faster, and these towels also dry out quickly. It has such a pretty design on it. Can't wait to try this one. Okay, I'm in love with all of this. This has been so wonderful. I'm so impressed with this box. The packaging is also so cute and the products are actually really good quality and quantity. The thing is, for such a low price, I was afraid that I might not get proper quantities or I might get sample sizes, which a lot of subscription boxes do. These are actually genuinely proper sizes and this will last me a month. So I am really happy about that. I bought this box for 999 rupees only, and they have subscriptions for like 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. You can get up to a 20% discount. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Comment down below if you're interested in bath products or subscription boxes like these. And like I said, I love it and I absolutely recommend it. And not only this, they have really amazing boxes on their website as well, like the home and living box, coffee boxes, wellness boxes. And I was just thinking, these are actually really good ideas for gifting as well. 2 of my closest friends are getting married early next year, and their home and living box would be a perfect wedding gift. Anyway, I'll leave the links down below so you can check it out for yourself. That's about it for this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon.